Let's get up and sweat and shout. Hi, it's Jim from Jim's Kitchen. Today's episode is dedicated to someone who's very inspirational and motivational. It's him, Richard Simmons. I have always adored Richard Simmons ever since I was a small child. I absolutely loved watching those Sweatin' to the Oldies videos. Well, you know what? I have this cookbook, the Celebrity Cookbook, and I got so excited to look inside and see there's a Richard Simmons recipe in there. He's actually made his own cookbooks too. Well, this recipe is called Richard Simmons Yentl Lentil Salad, and I'll be making it for you today. Also, throughout the video, you're going to hear some Richard Simmons inspirational quotes. Let's get cooking! Grab a bowl. You can do it. You are special. We need some cooked lentils. Number 1, you have to like yourself. Number 2, you have to eat healthy. And number 3, you've got to squeeze those buns. That's my formula. Dice some tomatoes and dump them in. You are precious. A little celery will look great inside. You are one of a kind. There is no one in the world like you. You are amazing. Let's add some green pepper. You can do it. How about some red onion? You know you're worth it. Chop up some mint leaves and toss them in. You have to believe in yourself in every moment of every day. A 1/4 cup of lemon juice. A little olive oil. No tricks, no gimmicks, no special pills, potions, or equipment. It only takes desire and will. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some cumin. Work hard, take care of yourself, and you'll be just fine. Mix that all together. Love yourself. I love you. I really do. Serve on a bed of lettuce or spinach. Yentl Lentil Salad. Mmm. It's delicious. And it tastes great with 1 grape. Thank you, Richard Simmons, for a great recipe and for being such an inspiration for my life. And thank you all for watching. I spent my childhood eating. The only exercise I got was trying to twist off the top of a mayonnaise jar.